Hi, my name is Dr. Vanessa Capps, and I am faculty in the Office Administration program here at Blue Ridge Community College. And our Perkins grant is funding our work-based learning program for students. And what that does is it allows students to get hands-on training in a workplace environment in our community. And we place them with businesses. Sometimes they're on campus. They get experience working in their field and make connections, so it's really good networking opportunities for students. And also they get to use their skills that they're learning within the classroom in an actual workplace environment. Additionally, it allows us as instructors to be in the community and working with students and employers to make sure that we are teaching the skills that employers are working for. So it's just a really good networking opportunity for us as well, and we very much appreciate Perkins.
The fund for me this year was tremendously important because from a professional development standpoint, there wasn't much money available. And I teach business administration classes, entrepreneurship being a big part of that program. 2 training programs that I got to go to this year were funded by the Perkins grant. And without those, there would have been a fair amount missed for me from working with students this year. Personally, for me, one of the programs I attended, it was a training program by an association that works with community college entrepreneurship educators. And one of the things I learned at this particular training that I was able to attend this year was the importance of the mindset of the entrepreneur and how that mindset is increasingly being understood to be not only successful for entrepreneurs, but across a number of disciplines and in a number of different departments in the community college system, because the rate of change that we're seeing in the business world, the use of technology, the importance of making quick and sharp decisions with limited resources, limited time, those are the kinds of things that entrepreneurs are particularly successful with. I was able to understand that better, not only benefit the entrepreneurship program, but benefit other business administration programs, and then to take it to my chair and my dean and talk about how we can translate this into other parts of the college. The other training program I attended was a North Carolina entrepreneurship focused event as well, and the training here was to bring 4-year school and community college school instructors together to talk about best practices in teaching entrepreneurship. And the benefit to someone like me, the 4-year schools tend to have a little bit more in resources as they get into the 3rd and the 4th year of their programs. And they've learned some amazing things about how to teach entrepreneurship, particularly in the online setting. Well, this whole training program was about sharing some of that. And then the community college instructors were able to work with the 4-year instructors, which was interesting because we have their future students. They are looking for underrepresented community groups. They're looking for minorities. They're looking for students they're not often finding in their programs. And as we talked about, how they're trying to grow those programs, particularly in those student populations, it was evident we have their students. So we started talking about how we can bridge the gap between a 2-year community college program and a 4-year program, and how to get students interested and then involved and enrolled in advanced studies beyond what we offer at the community college system. Again, something I would not have been able to learn and benefit from, and our students benefit from, had I not been able to attend that training program. And without the Perkins Fund, there would not have been funding for me to do that. So I was very grateful, and our students benefited from it as well.
I see what happened. See how it's really hard to see. See how these are 2 different types of knurling.
Hey, my name is Kevin Sproul, and I'm the machine instructor here at Blue Ridge Community College. I just want to say thank you for the Perkins funds.
This is not only a way for students to, get tuition-free credit, college credit, but also they're just learning these very practical skills that they can take with them into their career if they decide to jump into advanced manufacturing, into machining. They'll have the skill set, the basis for that. Some of them are continue with us, fortunately, in Blue Ridge, the machining program, getting their certificates and diplomas and degrees.
It has allowed me to work with high schoolers on a local level. We're working at all 3 high schools plus home schools. And it gives them an opportunity to kind of get their feet wet in the advanced manufacturing career. Again, thank you, Perkins, for all you do.
My name is Lee Angel. I'm the Dean of Health Sciences at Blue Ridge Community College.
And I'm Erica Reinhardt-Rogel. I'm the Allied Health Program Coordinator. Right, and we're here at the Transylvania County campus, as you mentioned, admiring 2 new beds that we were able to receive thanks to the Perkins grant.
So we're super excited about these beds, if you can't already tell, but we're happy to have them because it really helps us create equity with our students. Our students come in all shapes and sizes and different heights, and so these beds are adjustable, and we can move the beds up and down to fit their work and ergonomic needs so that they're providing safe, effective care for our patients.
It allows us to elevate the head of the bed as well as elevate the foot of the bed for our clients. In addition, we have a call light bell that when you push it, it visually cues us with an LED light underneath the bed.
And the beds also create a safer environment. So there's, we're eliminating any trip hazards or updating that equipment so we don't have any electrical issues, so that it's just a safer environment for patients and for our students that are learning in the environment. It really helps to provide a simulated environment in which they're going to work. The curriculum is geared towards long-term care, and so these beds should provide a simulated environment for long-term care. So what they're practicing with here in the classroom will be most likely what they see in practice. So we're happy to have something that's very realistic, relevant to where they're going to be working, to increase proficiency in their skills so that when they leave our program, they have high quality skills to enter into the workforce for workforce readiness.
From this. So again, we're very thankful and very grateful for this opportunity.